No, okay. Now center means already we got. Find the center means x bar, y bar you got. What is x bar value? What is x bar value? What is x bar value? You are done. X bar and y bar. Clear or not? X bar is equal to what you have done? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Y bar is equal to what? Y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. This is center. Now, suppose if they ask circle of curvature. Circle of curvature. What is the formula means? X minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square is equal to rho square. Where x bar y bar is centers, rho is equal to what? Rho is equal to what? Radius of curvature. Correct? Suppose if they ask to find circle of curvature means what? This if it is satisfies means suppose if they ask means general circle means what? X minus x bar whole square y minus y equal to rho square. This is the circle of curvature. Now we do one problem is see. Find the center of the curvature, center and the circle of the curvature of the curve. Find, take one. Find center and circle of curvature of the curve. Root x plus root y is equal to root a yet a by 4 a by 4. First you can find center x bar y bar. Then circle of curvature means for this is satisfying the x minus x bar. Then equation y minus y rho square is check actually satisfying or not. Correct? Come on, do. Copied.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now come on. First center. To find center formula is what? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Y bar is equal to y plus y2. Correct now? Now find actually given equation is what? Root x plus root y is equal to root a. Then if you differentiate what you will get? 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y y1 is equal to 0. From this what is y1? What is y1? y1 is equal to what? minus root y by root x. Agree? Any doubt? Are you there or not?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So y1 net is equal to a by 4, a by 4. Both points are same. This is also a by 4, this is also a by 4. So y1 net a by 4, a by 4, what will get if both you cancel means become what? y1 at a by 4, a by 4 is equal to what? Minus 1. Are you agree? So this is also a by 4, this is also a by 4. Automatically cancel, balance is minus 1. Now go for y2. Y2 how we will do? Denominator square, 1 minus you can keep here. Denominator into differentiation of a numerator, 1 by 2 root y into y1 minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Okay. Now y2 at actually a by 4 means what? This is also a by 4, this is also a by 4, cancel. 1 by 2 is balance, but y1 is equal to minus. So total value is what? Minus 1 by 2. Here also 1 a by 4 cancel. So minus half, minus half, minus half. Are you agree with me? Any problem?
No, sir.
Hmm? So numerator is what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Denominator is become what? Root a by 4. A by 4 whole square. Means what? Root of a by 4 whole square means a by 4. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
So y2 is equal to numerator is what? Minus of divided by what? A by 4. Root will cancel. This is minus 1 of is what? Minus 1 minus of 1 1. 1 divided by a by 4. That is equal to, can I write 4 by a? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
So y1 is equal to minus 1. Y2 is equal to what? 4 by a. Clear? Now come on. Find out center form. What? Find center. What are the centers? Formula. Center is equal to what? X bar is equal to x minus. Who is x here? A by 4. Correct? Hmm? A by 4 minus y1. Y1 formula is what? Minus 1. Then 1 plus y1 square. That is 1 divided by y2. Y2 is equal to what? 4 by a. Clear?
Yes, sir. 4 by.
4 by a. If you simplify means what? These two minuses become plus. Then 2 divided by 4 by a. That is equal to a by 2. Are you agree? Correct?
Yes, sir.
2
Yes, sir.
divided by 4 by a. 2 times will goes. Again it's become a by 2. So this is equal to what? A by 4 plus a by 2. So what is the answer? 3a by 4. X bar is equal to what? Adds are these two values. LCM is 4. Then 2a plus a, 3a by 4. Similarly, y bar you can find out, which you can keep in box. Then y bar formula is what? Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square whole power y2. Same story. Y is equal to a by 4 plus this is equal to 2 by 4 by a. Correct? 2 divided by 4 by a. This is again a by 2. I'm skipping the steps. This is also same story. 3a by 4. Clear? Copy down fast. Now what is the center? Tell me. X bar comma y bar is equal to what is the values? X bar y bar. What is x bar y bar, sir? Hey, people are there or not? Stan,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
only. What is the value?
3a by 4.
3a by 4. Both are 3a by 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
So x bar y bar is equal to what? 3a by 4. 3a by 4. Now, circle of curvature means what? What I want to do? Circle of curvature formula is what? X minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square is equal to rho square. Now x bar in my hand, y bar in my hand. I want to find out rho. What is the rho formula? Okay, yeah. Now already I know 1 plus y1 is equal to minus 1 then 1. 3 by 2. Y2 is equal to what? 4 by a. Va? Y2 is equal to what? At a by 4, a by 4. Y2 value already we got. What we got? 4 by a. Va?
4 by 8.
Y2 is equal to 4 by a. So 4 by a. If you simplify, this is what? 2 power 3 by 2 divided by 4 by a. So that is equal to what? Rho is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 4 by a. That is equal to what? 2 times will goes, again root 2 times will goes. So a by root 2. Now if we want circular equation of circular curvature is what? Rho square. Rho square is what? A square by 2. Correct? Now if we want to verify and check is correct or not, verification how we will do? Now LHS you can take. What is LHS? X minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square is equal to what is x actually? What is point? My point?
A by 4, sir.
Huh?
A by 4.
A by 4, x bar is what? 3a by 4. Simplify. A by 4 minus, sorry, 3a by 4 whole square plus a minus 3a by 4 means what you will get actually? Huh? Minus 2a by
Minus 2a, sir.
not satisfying, I think so. This is correct or no? Is equal to minus 2a by 4 means what you will get actually? If you square means what you will get? 2a by, no, 2a by 4. If you make it square, a by 2. A by 2 if you make square means what? A by 4. A square by 4. Correct? A square by 4 this value. Am I correct or not?
A square by 4, sir.
Huh? Sir, a by 4 minus 3a by 4 is 2a by 4, sir.
Correct,
Minus
sir. Correct, sir.
a by 2. Minus a by 2 because square it has become plus. A by 2 whole square means what? A square by 4. Am I correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will also a square by 4. If I simplify, y minus y by 4. Correct? I am skipping actually. I am writing a square by 4. So this is equal to what? LH is x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y square equal to what I am getting? A square by 4 plus a square by 4. That is equal to 2a square by 4. That is equal to a square by 2. That is equal to RHS. Proved. Is equal to rho square or not? Is equal to rho square. So if they ask center of the curvature, you can do the problems like this. Any problem? Equation of center of curvature means this you can stop. This is what is x minus, sorry, this you have to write x minus x bar y minus y bar square equation you can write. A bar what I got actually? A by 4. What is a bar? 3a by 4. You have to write. Equation if they ask, suppose if they ask equation means what? X minus 3a by 4 whole square plus this is the equation of center of curvature, circle of curvature. Suppose verification also you can do. Now I will do one problem you can try. This problem you can try actually, practice problems I will do. Center is asking actually y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 1 at 1 comma 1. You can find center 1 comma minus 1. Then x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Points given means what is the actually curve actually? X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta means what? Parametric equations, parameters actually. For whom these two fellows will come, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. In this problem, same thing they may ask like this. Find the center of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square at a cos theta, b sin theta. Both are same. This you can find. Next. Next topic is evolutes. What is the meaning of evolute means what? Locus of the circle of curvature, locus of the center of curvature is called evolute. What is the meaning of locus? Already +2 level you are done.
Set of points.
Huh?
Set of points.
No, not getting what?
Locus is a set of points.
Set of points, joining of the set of points.
Joining of the set of points.
Points, if you join, you will get a path. Actually, locus means it's a path. If you join center set of all points means what? You will get one path. That path is called what? Locus. Already you are done in +2. Actually, you will start x bar, y bar, then finally remove x, y you will write. Correct? That is, you will say locus. x1, y1 you will start. Remember or not?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Maybe, I don't know. If people are actually in home only, no, that is another problem. Okay. The lockups of the center of curvature. Now, they will give one curve actually center of curvature. You can find different centers. All centers, if we add means what, you will get the evolute. So this is called locus of the center of the curvature is called what? Evolute. Now there's very good problem. 3 problems are there. Guarantee 1 problem it will come. I told you cycle test 2 portions are what, sir? Any idea?
Second and third chapter.
Second unit 2 and 3, correct? Second unit, third unit also completed. We are now in 4th unit actually. Correct? The pattern, we know, any idea? You have any idea pattern? 20 into 1, 1 marks actually, part A. This is what MCQ. Part B is what? 5 into 4, 20 marks. This is 20 marks. Part C is 1 into 10. This is equal to 10 marks. In this actually they will use 6 questions. You should attempt any 5. Means what? Unit 2, 3 questions. From unit 3, 3 questions. This is part C is what they will ask 2 questions. You should attempt any 1 question. One is second unit, one is third unit. Not only that, I am telling strictly you have to upload in Google Form. First time I given lot of chances. So many days I completed continuously. I given examination date, everything. So yesterday by yesterday with a lot of request we are put it the marks also, everything done. By second cycle test not like this. On time will open, on time I will close. Whatever maybe, no, don't tell any reasons, network issues like this. Properly do. 2 period session actually. You have examination on, you are a B2, slot B, second batch,
Yes, sir. B2.
Yes, sir.
section B, you are B2 slot, correct? You are B2 slot, am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Maths B2 slot. So B2 slot means you will have examination on day order 2, 12:30 to 2:15. Correct our time. So 2 periods is your examination. Exactly it will close by that time. Exactly open the time. Paper Google form will go. So don't waste time and don't spoil this time actually. Last time we given lot of chances, not this. Because strictly the whole university will conduct the same time only. For you extra time they won't do. By that time they will close. So understanding or not? Are you able to do 20 into 1, 20 questions, 5 into 4, 20, 1 into 10, 10 questions. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can you repeat it once?
Part A is 20 into 1, sir. 20 marks.
Yes, sir.
5 into 4, 20 marks. 5 into 4 means what? In part B, you will have 6 questions. That is upload. Upload, you can do part B and C. First, you can write on the notes. You can scan. You can upload as a single file only. Only first page, if you upload second page, I will upload GCR means I don't allow. That's also I'm telling. Then part C is 1 into 10. In that one question, 2 questions will be there. You have to attempt 1 question. Part B, you will have 6 questions. Minimum 5 questions is enough. 1 question choice. Here, 1 question choice. This maybe they will go in part C. 1 is unit 2, 1 is unit 3. Here also, part B, unit 2, 3 questions, unit 3, 3 questions. So, totally 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to choose 5. In doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then part A also, 20 marks means what? 10 is from the 10 MCQ from unit 2, 10 MCQ from unit 3. Like this. It's very, very important, sir. Now, next. It's very, very important question. Find the evolute of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Standard questions. They will ask parabola for evolute of the parabola, evolute of the ellipse, evolute of the hyperbola. These 3 questions are standard, 1 question compulsory. Now, y square is equal to 4x means what you can take for granted. What are the points you can take? Points, any point, parameter is equal to what you will take. What are the best choice? If you know y square is equal to 4x means what are the points?
80, come 80.
80, yeah. X is equal to 80, yeah, 80 square, yeah.
80 square, sir. By
D square, sir.
X is equal to 80 square, comma, 280 is taken for granted. For any value of t, it should be satisfies here. So it's called parametric form. Now, okay. Now, first you can find center. From this center, I will remove the parameter t, I will remove. Now, what is my x bar? X bar is equal to what? X minus y1 into 1 plus by y2. Y bar is equal to what? Y plus, oh sorry, y1 won't come here. Y2. Okay, now slowly you can find from this actually x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 80. That formula I will use nicely. Parametric directly if you do also you will get, it's not a big deal. dy by dt by dx by dt. What is dy by dt here? What is dy by dt?
Sir, 2 years, sir.
Very good. Then
By 280, sir.
dx by dt is what?
280, sir.
280. So 2a cancel means dy by dt is equal to what? 1 by t. This is equal to y1. Now y2, what d square y by dx square, how you will find? Minus 1 by t square into what you will write. That will speak lot. Because this is in terms of t. My dy by dx is in terms of t. I am doing with respect to t into what you will get.
dt by dx.
Very good. Reciprocal of dx by dt, that is dt by dx. But actually, what is dx by dt? 280. If you make it reciprocal, means what you will get? 1 by 280 or not? So, minus 1 by t square into 1 by 280. So, who is y2, sir? Minus 1 by, who will come? 2a t cube. Agree?
Sir, the 280 should be numerator also.
Huh?
Shouldn't
Why?
the 280? Sir, because 1 by 280 only will come.
Come on, tell me. See, this is minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. dx by dt is equal to 280, but now this value I am writing denominator is not 1 by 280. Numerator,
Okay.
don't see here actually. This is dx by dt is equal to 1 280. If you write separately, what you will write? Dx by dt equal to 280 will write. Because 1 by I am dividing, I am writing in denominator, is not 1 by 280, correct? Huh? But here dt by dx is 1 by 280. Clear or not? Sir, okay, what I did is right or wrong? Any others check?
Sir, right, sir.
Minus 1 by t80 cube. So y1 is in your hand, y2 in your hand. Slowly can find x bar. Write the formula x bar. What is x bar? Tell me. X minus. Who is x here? Who is x? A?
AT square.
AT square minus. Who is y1?
Minus 1 by
Hey, 9 point.
1,
What
1
is
by
y?
t. 1
Ah,
by t.
1 by t. Open the bracket. 1 plus 1 by t square divided by y2.
Minus 1 by 280 cube, sir.
Minus 1 by t8 t cube. Agree? Now simplify slowly. X bar is equal to at square. This minus become plus. Correct? This if you simplify means what? T square plus 1 by t square into t cube. Are you agree? T square 1 plus divided by t square, sir. This t square into t is what? T cube. Are you agree or not? Huh?
Yes, sir, correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 by t cube into inside who will be there? T square plus 1. Then whole divided by who is there? 1 by 2a t cube. This t cube fellow, this t cube fellow will cancel. Correct? Huh? Then 2a will come up. Any doubt? Now the whole equation become what? At square plus 2a into t square plus 1. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
X bar is equal to at square plus 2a into what? T square plus 1. Okay, yeah. So this is equal to what? At square plus 2at square plus 2a. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now x bar is equal to what? At square plus 2at square is what? 3at square plus 2a. Clear? Now find similarly y bar. What I will get my y bar? Y plus 1 plus y1 square whole by y2. What is my y?
280, sir.
Huh?
280.
280 plus 1 plus 1 by t square by minus 1 by 2a t cube. Correct, sir? Any doubt? Now simplify. T square plus 1 by t square minus 1 by t cube. So minus will come in between. I bar is equal to at minus 2at cube at minus 2at cube into t square plus 1 by t square. Agree? Any problem? This is I taken numerator actually. This is my calcium I have taken. Any problem, sir? Clear? Then this
T
t,
cube cancel.
yes, t cube I written here.
Yes, sir. But T square T cube cancel.
T square plus 1 by t cube. This is minus 1 by t a t cube. This I will cancel actually. Correct? Any problem? I think I made a mistake. Check. Correct only. Wrong, I think so. Wait. Y bar is equal to 280. Acha. This is 280. Wait. Two I forgot to see. 280. Correct, sir? Now clear. Now y bar. Now y bar is equal to, tell me, 280 minus 280 cube minus 280. Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Y bar is equal to minus 280 cube. Now from this you can prepare x bar is equal to what? 380 square minus plus 2a. I got, x bar is equal to, you can prepare x bar minus 2a by 3a is equal to t square, you can prepare. Any doubt? X bar is equal to x bar minus 2a by, otherwise I will stop here. Clear or not? Up here clear? From this t square you can prepare what you will get? X bar minus 2a by 3a. Correct? X bar minus 2a by 3a is equal to t square. Then y is equal to what? Y bar minus 2a, y bar by 2a is equal to minus t cube. Now my aim is I want to remove this t. This I will make it cube, raise the power 3. I will raise the power 2. So both are same or not? Any problem? A cube is equal to b square or not? A cube is equal to what? T power 6. B square is what? T power 6. Am I correct or not? Huh?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So from this I will write A cube is equal to b square. Then what I will get? A cube is what? This is t power 6, this t power 6. Automatically these two are equal. So I am removing the parameter actually. X bar minus 2a by 3a whole cube is equal to y bar by 2a whole square. Correct? Now if I simplify this, what I will get? X bar minus 2a whole cube is equal to 27a cube is equal to y bar by 4a square, y bar whole square. Correct? This a square, this a cube cancel. So from this what I will get? 4 into x bar minus 2a whole cube is equal to 27a y bar square. Now this is for particular center I am telling x bar y bar. For generally if I want to mark locus means what, x bar y bar I will remove. So locus of center is what? Locus of center is what? I remove x bar y, general equation I will write. So this fellow become what? 4 into x minus 2a whole cube is equal to 27 ay. Ay square I think so. 27 a. This is the equation of evolute. So if the what? What? Any problem? 4 into this 27 a y square. A I written there last. So this is the equation of evolute. Correct? Then I will stop here. What is first number?
71, sir.
Huh? Okay.
71.
71, 72. 72. Siddharth Anand. 73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76. 77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79.
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
81. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84.
Present, sir.
85.
Present, sir.
86. Not there. 87. Not there. 88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
90.
Present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95. 96.
Present, sir.
97. 98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
100. 101.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
100. What are you doing? 101.
101 present, sir.
102.
Present, sir.
103.
Present, sir.
104. 105. 106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110.
Same, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112. 113. 113.
Present, sir.
114.
Present, sir.
115.
Present, sir.
116.
Present, sir.
123.
Present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
125.
Present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
Then 54011.
Sir, 126 present, sir.
Yeah. 1 54016. 1 2 2.
Sir, who is having mic
Sir,
issues?
he has mic issues.
Okay. 3
Present, sir.
4
Present, sir.
5
Present, sir.
6
Present, sir.
7 8
Present, sir.
9
Present, sir.
10.
123 present, sir.
Hey, I given sir.
Sir, 105 present.
Okay, I use. Don't tell come between. Where I am standing? 109 actually. 10 11
Present, sir.
12
Present, sir.
13
Present, sir.
14
Present, sir.
15
Oh, sir.
16
Sir, 10 present, sir. My mic was not being unmuted.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24, 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, 28, I think 30,
Present, sir. 29. Present, sir. 29.
okay, 30,
30 present, sir.
31,
Sir, 29 is also present.
okay, 29, 31, 31 is last number, huh?
24 present, sir.
Present, sir. Present.
31 is last number, you know?
Yes, sir. 21 is last.
Okay.
Sir, 24 present, sir.
Sir, 01 present. Wait, I'm reading that, then you can tell me. 76, 81, 95, 97, 104, 112, 5407, 21, 27, 28. Anyone is there? 24 given.
Sir, and 10, sir.
Huh?
10, sir. 5401. 10.
10 present, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, leave.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
sir, one thing. I don't know if you have marked me absent yesterday. I was present.
what number?
04.
Oh, I want to check actually. Okay, I'll see.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. But when I'm calling, that's why you should tell that 1 second also you are not able to tell me what can I do. I'm taking 1 hour class, you are not responding 1 second. Okay, I'll see.
Okay, sir. Thank you.